Here we have a term featuring the coefficient and the variable, and today we're going to be talking about how we can combine like terms by applying our understanding of variables and like terms. So the number next to any variable or letter is called the coefficient, and to the right of the coefficient is a letter which we're going to refer to as the variable. So it might be Q, L, G, any letter, right? So what we're going to be doing is combining like terms. A like term has the same variable with the same exponent. So let's take a look at a couple. On your worksheet today, number 14 has three unique terms. So when I'm looking at this, we see we have m, or 1m, right? So we've got this m, and it's a positive m, because we don't even see it, so positive 1 if we want to do that. We've also got now this negative 9 and a negative 5. The m is in blue, and these integers over here are in red because these numbers don't have any variables. So these reds, these are the Knicks, for example, and this is the Lakers. So what we can do is combine negative 9 with positive 5. So negative 9 plus 5 is going to be negative 4. And m is just m. I mean, we're just simply bringing it down. So the answer is m minus 4. Great. Let's take a look at number 26. So what I know is that we've got four terms here, and I see two variables. I see this m, and I see this m, and that's it. And I know that we're going to be combining these because these are like terms. So I'm going to circle these, and then I'm going to circle the negative 10, or square the negative 10, we'll say, and square the positive 2, because these don't have any variables. These are constants, and these are also like terms. So we're going to be combining the m's and then the constants. So I'm going to write 6m, do that in blue, 6m plus 3m. And this is how I want you guys to write it. I want you to rearrange it when it's sort of out of order like this, right? So we are moving this so they're next to each other. And then here we have minus 10 plus 2. I know that 6m plus 3m is 9m. And here we have negative 10 plus 2, and that's going to be negative 8. That's it. We can't subtract 8 from 9. It's not anything like this. This is as far as we can go. This is our answer. Alright, so here we have three terms. I can see that we've got two variables. I see we have the x, and we've got a constant. So like before, what we're going to do is combine the like terms. I'm going to put a square around this variable, and I want to make sure that I get the negative in front of this 6x, because that's really crucial. I mean, that defines what this integer is. So now I'm going to rewrite it, 9x minus 6x. And then all we got left here is this 6 chilling by itself, this constant. We have nothing to add that to. So let's do that. 9x minus 6x is 3x plus 6. That's it. We cannot simplify any further. If any of you guys write 9x, it'll be wrong. That would be an off. I might cry on the inside a little bit, because we can't combine any more like terms. This is as far as we can go. And let's check out this last one. Here we have four terms, right? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can see that we've got one variable twice. We've got this n, and what we're going to do is, just like before, I'm going to put a little square around this negative 5n and a square around the positive 9n. Let's identify this sort of negative 5 and negative 2. So now what you have to do is rearrange these, and here I'm going to have negative 5n plus 9n, and let's also rearrange these constants, minus 5 minus 2. Great. Negative 5 plus 9 is going to give us positive 4n. We could write a positive in the front, but we don't necessarily have to. It's sort of implied. And then we have negative 5 minus 2, and the answer, of course, is negative 7. And that is our final answer. We cannot combine these any further. Now, if, hypothetically there was an n here, yeah, then we could, but there's none. We've got to always combine like terms. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking forward to seeing your work. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Good luck.